This is a hand I played online last week. I was just kind of curious to go through and kind of do the hand ranging. It's very low stakes cash game online, and just like I said, I wanted to I'm just gonna play through it and like to hear your idea of the hand range as each as each turn and river hit, and if you want to comment on the bet sizing and how I played it, that's fine too. But I'm just kind of more looking at if I was thinking similar ranges as to what you might be thinking as I go through this. Thanks. So here's where we start. I'm on the button, and I'll just kind of play this through it. I don't need to narrate the whole thing. You can pause it as you need to.